you guys out there that love doing gel as much as I do, we wanted to make sure that we set this mystery box up so that you get to choose what you like. Let me explain to you what the fundamental products that come inside and how you're going to be able to choose your own adventure. All right, let's get down to the fundamentals, right? You need a 60-gram base gel. Key, you're gonna get an 8-ounce cleanser, which is our swipe. You're going to get a 1/2-ounce stain-resistant top coat, a 1/2-ounce protein bond, which is our bonder, and a Finesse gel sculptor brush. This, again, is the perfect foundation to set you guys up for success. Now, let's show you how you're going to choose the gels that you need to work with. We wanted to make sure that you guys, again, get to choose, not from a limited amount, but from all the colors that we have available. So, you get to choose any 6, right? 60-gram gels, right? Or, if you don't want them in the pots, guess what? Bro, you get to choose any color from the precision applicators. So mix and match. Any 6 from the pot, any 6 precision applicators, or if you want a few in the pot or a few applicators, dude, you get 6 of your choice. And last but not least, you get to choose any 4 of the Mission Control gel art paints. I mean, think about it, you guys. You get all the fundamental products. You get to choose any 6 of the gels that you like. And you get to throw in a little dessert, right? Any color from Mission Control. Total value of this kit is over $512 for 120 bucks. Bro, it's a no-brainer. If you love gel, I'm telling you right now, you need to get yourself hooked up for this Black Friday. Take advantage of us. They're not gonna last long.